All right, it is hot today and even hotter tomorrow. We could possibly see some record-breaking temperatures, and there's also going to be increased fire danger this week. Let's get to Tracy Humphrey with the first alert forecast. Hey, Tracy.
Hey, thank you, John. Yeah, our forecast for today is definitely going to be one that's memorable as we're looking for the opportunity for a heat event. Pretty warm days are ahead. So let's take a look and see what's going on outside right now. And temperatures are warming up. It's 90 degrees, 88 in Stockton, 84 in Modesto, 90 degrees in Marysville. More in the way of your current conditions from 90 for your air temperature, 26% for relative humidity. So it's dry out there. Winds out of the northwest at 13 miles per hour. So with warm days ahead, here are a couple things to keep in mind. You do want to make sure you stay well hydrated. Also protecting your skin from UV rays. Wear a life jacket near cold waterways and look before you lock. That one is in relation to small pets as well as our small ones, our little ones. Take a look at our temperatures outside right now. 90 in Sacramento, 90 degrees in Marysville, 89 in Vacaville, upper 80s in Stockton, lower to the mid 80s in the foothills. So right now the weather's rather benign, but that's going to be changing. 24-hour temperature change showing we are 10 degrees higher in Sacramento versus the same time yesterday, 8 degrees higher in Marysville, 11 degrees higher in Truckee, and later on today we're expecting hotter temperatures. Yesterday we topped off at 92. Today we're going to tack on at least 10 degrees. 101 coming in for Sacramento, 102 coming in for Marysville, 97 in Stockton, 96 in Modesto, 103 in Vacaville. Now when you get to the foothills, their conditions are warming up, but again, not looking at the dangerous heat that we're expecting for the valley floor. Lower 90s for the hills and the lower 80s for the Sierra. So today is the first of a multi-day heat event. Multi-days meaning Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Friday is expected to be the hottest day, and for that reason, the National Weather Service has issued an excessive heat warning. That means that any of these locations here in this pinkish red color have the opportunity and the chance for afternoon highs up to 105 degrees, as well as very warm temperatures moving into the overnight. Now, there's also a heat advisory. That's for the adjacent foothills, north as well as East Bay Hills, and parts of the San Joaquin Valley. These locations will be looking at heat as well, afternoon highs of at least 100 degrees, and that's again for Friday. So take a look at Friday's projected afternoon highs. Now this is all based on model data. 106 in Sacramento, 107 in Marysville, 108 in Vacaville, 106 in Stockton, and 104 in Modesto. If we do indeed reach these temperatures, we're looking at record-breaking temperatures for tomorrow's date. When you get to the foothills, they're hot as well. 102 in San Andreas, 95 in Placerville, 98 in Auburn, with the lower to the mid-80s coming in for the Sierra. So we are looking at dangerously hot conditions. We are also looking at very dry, exceptional drought conditions, severe drought conditions for much of the state. Now let's talk about fire weather, because tomorrow we are looking for winds to start to pick up later in the day, and that will introduce the opportunity for fire weather concerns. So here are a few things that we can do over the course of Friday, Monday, and Tuesday, all 3 days with the chance for fire weather. Avoiding outdoor burning, properly disposing of cigarettes and matches, avoiding equipment that creates sparks, no parts dragging on the ground, and do not park your car over dry grass. So that's because of an opportunity for fire weather concerns on Friday. Well, take a look at the weekend. We have a minor frontal boundary coming in that can introduce a chance for a few light showers in the northern end of the valley floor. Some of those showers could touch off the opportunity for isolated thunderstorms for the North Valley, for the hills, as well as for the Sierra. That could also spark the opportunity for dry lightning, which could also introduce an opportunity for wildfire development, with more fire weather possible Monday and Tuesday as winds are expected to pick up. So your 7-day forecast, hot conditions in the forecast today. Friday's the hottest day with up to 105. Saturday still looking at heat, and then temperatures cooling off Sunday, but we will have an opportunity for isolated thunderstorms around 8 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon for the Sierra, the North Valley, and the hills, with fire weather in the forecast Monday and Tuesday. So a busy 7-day forecast, John, and a hot stretch of weather ahead.